Alright, so this is building 35. It's going to be a fun one, I can already tell. Looks like the floor is alive in here. So yeah, this side of the building definitely needs cleaned out. So obviously we haven't put the jetter in here. I'm trying to see if this building has a main clean out and where it's located. It's not obvious anywhere on the front of the building, so we're gonna hopefully find it. Pretty good sized belly with quite a bit of grease in this building. Again, this is building 35. So this looks like our double Y. See if we're going out or do we jump across. Hard to say. Oh, we went out. So here's our clean out. So we're gonna go find this guy and dig it up. Alright, so I got her located. A bunch of grass was growing over top of it. So again, this is building 35. There's our double Y. So this is what the right side of the building looks like. This is before jetting. So we have a little bit of a sag in here. We'll clean her out and see what it looks like when we get done. Back close to the moving floor. That's pretty gnarly there. It's like a plastic fork or something in there. Alright, so that's 35. It's our right side before video. And we will get to work on this sucker. And once we get it all clean, we will take a nice video after we get it cleaned.